The reality is I found something, I found hope. I found hope.
For Nathan Mitchell, his battle to overcome addiction came to a crossroad when he encountered a program during his second stint in jail that helped him find purpose.
To not only live life, but have a life worth living, which was important to me.
That purpose is now helping others in the same boat he was once in, with the same group that helped him, the McShin Recovery Resource Foundation.
I look where I get teary-eyed. You know, when I think about someone who I just met walking through the door, 2 weeks later saying, hey, look, I'm going to get a job. I just got a job. I haven't had a job in weeks or months or years.
But while the Henrico County nonprofit works to help people overcome addiction, state and federal data shows deaths from drug overdoses continue to climb. The Virginia Department of Health's most recent report shows drug-related deaths remain the leading unnatural cause of death and hit an all-time high in 2021, over 2,600, a 15% increase from 2020.
And most of that is being driven by illicit fentanyl. Over 3 out of every 4 overdose deaths in 2021 involve the drug. And it's very lethal.
Forensic epidemiologist Rosie Hobron says it's a trend seen across the country, especially as the synthetic opioid is mixed in with other drugs, including illicit prescription ones, without the user knowing.
Very small portions can result in an overdose or an overdose death.
And it comes as Tuesday marks the first ever National Fentanyl Awareness Day, as groups and government agencies talk about the dangers it poses.
It's important to know what you've got.
Meanwhile, Mitchell says of the overall overdose deaths in Virginia, it represents a humongous leap over the past decade and speaks to the ongoing need of groups like McShin, which in turn need more funding to reach more people. And Mitchell adding, addiction needs to be approached from a public health mindset, not a criminal justice one.
When we invest in recovery, we are investing in safer communities. We are building stronger families, and we are making a healthier population.
Mitchell says there are ways that you can help out the McShin Foundation if you'd like, whether it's giving your time as a volunteer, donating goods like socks or pillows, or donating money. And to that end, they do have their annual golf tournament fundraiser next week. And you can find more information about that on our website, WTVR.com.